Hi, Kiwanis family. What do you call a doctor who plays poker? A cardiologist. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about our new meeting schedule because yes, change is hard. And when you have 98 Kiwanians, nope, let's make that 100. Welcome Christy and Dee. Christy is the spouse of our past president, Adam Hartley, and our new club secretary, and Dee is a transfer from the Citrus Center Kiwanis Club. Welcome, you two. Anyway, back to the point. When there are 100 of you, that means we also have 100 opinions about how we should do things. It's a lot of fun for sure, of what makes us Kiwanis. And beginning this month, we're meeting for lunch on the first and third Fridays. Coffee and Conversations is moving to the second Thursday, and we're making a concerted effort to use that fourth week for something really important and what we're all here for, service. I want you to know this wasn't a decision that was made overnight. We've been looking at this for over a year. We have 100 members, but our weekly attendance has consistently been at around 20 to 25 people, with roughly 20 of you purchasing lunch. At the same time, the cost of hosting our weekly meetings has nearly quadrupled, not to mention a required minimum payment each Friday for 25 meals. So it just doesn't add up. We've emailed you, we've texted, we've called, and we've reminded you. Short of showing up at your house on Friday morning and putting you in my car, we've tried it. And the numbers have stayed pretty consistent. So instead of continuing to spend money on empty seats, we're trying something different. With this new schedule, we've been able to cut our meeting room costs by about 50% and reduce the lunch cost to $15. But this isn't only about money. We also believe 2 lunch meetings a month makes Kiwanis more approachable for young professionals, working parents, and people who genuinely want to serve the community, but look at a weekly lunch commitment and think there's absolutely no way I can add one more thing to my calendar. We want Kiwanis to fit into people's lives while still giving them meaningful ways to serve. And hopefully, when we gather less frequently, the time we do spend together becomes even more valuable. Now, does this mean we'll never go back to our weekly meetings? No. What we're going to do is we're going to track attendance, track engagement, relationships, service participation, and membership. When we consistently start seeing attendance closer to 50% of our membership and can sustain that for several months, we're going to review it at the board and consider whether weekly meetings make sense again. Ideally, this will happen in Derek Strauss's year. You're welcome, Angela. I'll be happy to come every Friday and enjoy those meetings when somebody else is president. In the meantime, we're going to keep communicating. You'll see meeting dates in the newsletter. You'll get them by text. You can follow us on social media. And we also have a public calendar posted on the website. And if after all of that, you still show up on the wrong Friday, enjoy it. Take that solitude and rest. Our club is strong because of the people in it, and meetings are only one piece of Kiwanis. What really matters is what happens when we take those friendships, connections, and resources and put them to work serving the children of Lakeland. So come to lunch, grab coffee with us, show up for a service project, bring a friend. There's a place for you here, just not today. We do not have a meeting today. Do not show up. See you next Friday, August 21st, to welcome Lakeland's Mayor, Sarah Roberts McCarley. Have a great weekend.